Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Man, all you Ram guys, you're gonna love this thing. This is a 2021 2500 Limited. So it's got all the cool stuff in it, the cool interior. It's got the big screen in it. It's a great truck. So this is actually a dealership truck we work with out of Elkhorn, Wisconsin, Kunes Country. So we've done quite a few trucks with those guys. So if you're thinking about buying a new truck, but obviously it's a pretty expensive upgrade. If you want to, give them a call, there's a great chance you can just work with them and, roll the whole financing all into one. So what we did to this truck is basically everything we've got. So we've got our new Bravo Series grill and 6-inch rigids in here. This is the new, we went away from the wire mesh and we now are doing all laser cut mesh. So, and they've got some little K's in there. It looks really nice. And the other thing that's cool about this is, we obviously put our Kelderman logo here, but if you got a business, we can make your business logo in here. Awesome way to, represent your business on your awesome truck. Oh, a great way to write this thing off too. So coming around down here to the front bumper, this is our Delta series. So it's kind of like our Alpha series, but it doesn't stick out as far because the Alpha, we got to stick it way out for that big 16.5 Warn winch. Well, the Delta is set up for a 20-inch rigid, but we also kept our, Kelderman look with our pockets here. And then we, powder coated our monster hooks to match our logo. So cool grill, obviously with the two-piece design with the wings on each end, we can color match the wings to the truck. And throw in our 4-inch rigids. You got plenty of light. Got little license plate brackets for those states that still make you run those. And one more thing is right here. We got our front camera right here on the grill. So it's the new grills are really easy installation. The older Dodges, we had to do a lot of cutting. These, you just pop this thing apart, slap this in. Got lots of options for layers to do. We got matte going on here. We got gloss going on, color match. Again, matte. And then our colored center logo. So make this front end awesome. It's cool that the Dodge decided to do a blacked out headlight. So you put this whole package together, really, really cool truck that isn't going to look like anybody else's on the road. So for the suspension on this truck, we did our 5 to 6 inch kit. So this is a 2500, so it's got the factory 4-link. So on the front, we did a textured kit, which is a real durable powder coat we have. And we did our Kelderman shocks built by Raptor, and it's got the billet clamps on it. So looks really nice, no hose clamps, looks very professional. Obviously the blacked out shocks with the chrome and kind of machine look matches the whole theme of the truck, with the black wheels and the machine finish on that. So you come down here, you can see we've got our Kelderman radius arms, and same thing, we have badges where we can layer this stuff and do the accents like we did with the blue here and the silver. And the other thing that's cool about this is we do the eccentric bolt on it, so it makes alignment on this truck extremely easy. For wheels, we went with Ford Giotto 24 Terra Series, and very sharp wheel. Their finish on these things are amazing. And what's cool is on the inside is a machine finish, which kind of goes with the gray of the truck. We got the black. Personally, I like the machine look with the black because it gives it a little more, a little more of a sharper image. Whereas, something that's all black maybe doesn't pop quite as much. So, and then of course we run our Toyo MTs, which are 30-inch by 13.5s by 24s. The rear of the 2500 Rams is a factory 4-link suspension, so it makes it real easy for us to do the 5-inch lift on this one. So we replaced the factory trailing arms with adjustable ones, so that way we can set our pinion where it needs to be, so that when you take off, you don't get any shudder upon vibration, and then when you're at highway speeds and you let off the throttle, you don't have any noise in it. So, and plus our heavy-duty trailing arms, the same things we use on, shoot some of the 650 stuff we do, so it's extremely heavy duty. We got our space, our brackets for the airbags that go in where the factory coils went. And even if we have factory air ride trucks, we'll still replace those airbags that come with the Rams, and we'll use our Firestones. So we got our sensors on here for our air management control. We're using the Airlift 3H with the Kelderman wiring harness. We got dual Vi-Air compressors down here. We got dual tanks. Extremely reliable system. And another thing we do is we put on a dryer on our system, so all the air from the compressors goes through the dryer, and then we got a little button that a couple times a day you'll hit and it'll purge that. So what that does, keeps moisture free. So when you're, if you live up in the northern area like us and it's cold all the time, your air system isn't going to freeze up. So this truck features our 5-inch MBRP filter back exhaust. It's powder coated black. It's available purchased on our website if you want to get one for your truck. Back of this truck, just as awesome as the front. We got a 3-piece rear bumper, color matched wings, black center section. We did a little color matched plate behind the Kelderman logo. We powder coated the monster hooks to match our accent colors that we actually did also in the Ram logo. We removed the rear taillights, throw a little tint on them, knocks that big bright red off of your taillights and really makes this thing flow. Come around on the bottom, we got our air chuck here, so you can air up ATV tires, bicycle tires, kids toys at the pool, the beach, whatever. Also, what's really cool, we got a set of train horns on this thing. So when we put our control package up under here, we also have a new bracket we made that allows the horn blasters to be bolted right up. So it's an extremely clean installation, easy to service, just an awesome all-around product that we're offering. So again, this is Kunes Country in Elkhorn, Wisconsin. If you're looking to build your dream truck, give them a call. You can build the whole truck, roll it in the financing, or if you're lucky enough and this truck's still available when this video comes out, give them a call. They'll hook you up.